today. You're gonna meet my dad.
Oh no.
And he's very nervous.
Very.
So come on. Welcome.
Hi.
Just talk normal.
Hello.
So today we're going to be making these Halloween treats. Mummy jalapeno poppers. They're really cute. And this is from the website Salty Side Dish, so you should try it.
And Cajun seasoning. All seasoning for Cajuns in any season. Hence Cajun all seasoning. I just wanted to throw that out there.
Okay, so what you'll need for this is jalapenos, cheddar cheese, crescent rolls, Cajun seasoning,
All seasoning.
and cream cheese. So you are going to de-jalapeno these. So you're gonna slice them in half and scoop all the seeds out for me because they're too hot and I don't want to touch it. Oh, also you need these little eyeballs because at the
Eyeballs.
end. Dad, can you just talk normal?
Little known fun fact, crescent rolls, if you put them up
Can
here.
you just talk normal? People are gonna think that's your real voice.
If you put them up here, it'd be like a crescent moon.
Okay. So we're going to start by, while he is de-jalapenoing the jalapenos, that's a word now, but we're gonna put this whole 12-ounce whipped cream cheese into a mixing bowl to begin. 3/4 cup of cheddar cheese.
We will slice the jalapenos and we'll clean them out. We will de-seed them.
Dad. Cheese is in. Then we have to put some Cajun seasoning. Can you like put these on a plate or something?
Good, if you got me a plate. Look how easy that is.
Can you just put them on there now?
Sure.
Thanks. I don't know how much of this to put on there, but we'll just.
You need more than that. More.
No, I don't want to. I don't want to like die. Okay, so we're just gonna mix this up. Add a little more seasoning. Oh God, my nose is burning.
A little more seasoning. What we're gonna do is add a little more seasoning. And say we get the seeds out right here. When the seeds are gone, personally I like the seeds. I'm kind of a spicy kind of guy.
Spicy kind of guy. No.
Oh my goodness, that's why we wear an apron.
I got one of those.
Hold on. Want me to get you one?
Do you have one?
No, just thought I'd offer.
I feel like that's mixed pretty well. My nose is on fire right now.
Smoking. My nose is on fire.
So that's mixed up. The oven is still preheating.
And
The
I
oven is
believe it's
heated.
done.
Let's put some gloves on. Where'd you get those gloves?
I got them at, I believe, H-E-B. They were like $1.92.
Where are they?
I think aisle 14.
Oh my God. Can I have some?
Oh. Yeah, they're right there.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Let me put my hair up.
I used to have that problem.
What do you mean?
I used to have hair.
I'll use this cute little spoon. I need like a second plate to transfer them into.
Right up where you got the first plate.
So smart. Okay.
We keep our plates together. Actually, it's smarter that way.
Yeah. So, we'll fill these bad boys nicely with the mixture of cream cheese and
Bad boys, what you gonna do?
What you gonna do when they come for you, bad boys, bad boys?
What?
Did you leave jalapenos in the store for anybody else?
Yes.
Cinco de Mayo is only a year away. You should have left some more.
There's plenty. I only took maybe a 30-second of what was there. But I did get the last package of eyeballs.
I can see that. Yeah, that's why I only do one show a night, folks. It's all about the spice, about the spice, about the spice. All about the spice, all the spice. So, I can see clearly now the bag is empty. Woo! Little jalapeno in the eye,
Are you okay?
Well, do you know a nurse?
My face feels like it's burning from this.
You believe my nose hairs have cringed a little.
Cringed?
As in singed.
What?
This is what comes out of my garden. This is a jalapeno. This is
Show
what,
it.
This is what Sarah buys.
You gotta get closer so they can see you.
Hey. What I've learned, see how large that is? It is extremely large. Sarah's is small, see? Mine's large, small. But if you grow your own jalapenos, the size of the pot matters.
So did that come from a
Little
small,
Jimmy's helpful hints.
did that come from a small pot?
Yes, it did.
Makes sense.
But I'm learning.
The more you know with Jim.
Little Jimmy's helpful hints. Can I run?
Can you what? Yeah, go for it.
Thank you for this checking.
That is not even loud. Please, sir. I'll put this here.
Jimmy's got a second job.
But do them like this, like you don't want to overfill them.
Excuse me, but you asked me to help.
So I'm
I
guiding
have
you.
my own way.
Okay, we only have so much to put in there.
We have plenty. Trust me.
Are you doing anything for Halloween?
No, I'm gonna be on my own for Halloween. I didn't get invited to go anywhere for Halloween, unlike other people. Apparently, that part of don't tell mom, where I held the confidence of my kids for years, doesn't carry over anymore. Because, well, who do they ask? Mom. Mom.
My mom and I are going to Six Flags this weekend, and I didn't invite my dad because we were going shopping.
I didn't even notice. It's not a big deal. I'm totally okay with it because, well, I'm the fun guy, and so me and my dogs. I love my dogs.
I asked you to make jalapeno poppers with me.
Yes, you did, but you didn't tell me there was a camera. I had 9 years of college.
No, you didn't.
I dadgum sure did.
No, you said you. 9
Well, okay.
years.
I was enrolled for 5. I played intramurals for another 4. So that's 9 years of college. And I'm officially a junior. He's kind of like a little Picasso here. He puts the cream cheese in the jalapeno and smooths it out.
Have fun. Then we have to cut the crescent rolls.
And then what do you do with this?
Eat it.
Is it good?
I don't know, I
like
haven't.
I can officially
Yeah, but I want to try some. So
I can.
yeah.
You know. Let me tell you, folks. You take this Cajun seasoning, you just dab that stuff right in there like that. You make that a red moon. Here we go. Now we're gonna stir it up just like this. And now we're gonna taste it. Take a taste. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Got a little zing.
It's not bad.
It's not bad. It's what I call doggone good. That's a 2 or 3 cougher. I'm gonna have to step out on a limb though and say if you're not supposed to have sodium, probably not for you.
Yeah. Next, let's change up our camera angle here. Well,
I'm sorry. Here we go. How y'all doing? Little Jimmy here. Just thought I'd stop by. Am I supposed to be on camera?
okay, I really don't know what I'm gonna do here. Do I just go that way?
Hello?
Dad, do I go that way?
Let me step out on a limb here and help you out. Can I?
Yeah.
Little Jimmy's helpful hints in the kitchen. We're gonna take this. We're gonna just go spread it out right here. Okay.
Okay.
And then we're just gonna kind of right here and go right down that line right there.
Oh,
Boom.
that does make sense.
There you go. Now, how long do you want them?
Like that picture. So like these.
What if you're looking at a globe and it's only that far on the
Like
globe?
these.
Okay, so you want to like that? There.
That one's long. Less than that.
All right. Well, we'll just.
So, we are going to wrap them like little mummies now. There's something in there about the flatter you make these, the less they rise. And you don't want them to rise a lot when we bake them.
Question.
Okay?
This is a question from our audience. I just got a text.
Did you?
Do you wrap the jalapeno by chance?
I don't know.
You wrap it.
Oh, yeah. That
Okay.
makes sense.
Let me just
Like it's that.
get these out of the way. I'm gonna show you how you do this.
Oh my gosh. But I have to leave some space for their eyeballs.
Trust me.
Look, he's turning out cute. We need one more, like right here.
All right. I'm gonna try something here.
Oh, he's cute.
Darling. Now,
Okay, we're gonna come back whenever we have these all wrapped. Great news, we finished wrapping the mummies up. So take a look at how cute these guys are. My dad did some good ones over here.
those are eyes, if you can see that.
There's a Cyclops, that one has 3 eyes. And now they're ready to bake. So we will be back to show you the final product.
See y'all later.
Final product of these really cool things. I think they turned out pretty good. A couple of their eyes melted, but I think it was a good product.
I like eyes.
Anyway,
Eyeballs.
it's cute.
just.
We're trying it. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
You can save it if you don't.
Hello.
Oh, really good. 10 out of 10 recommend.
I like spice. You may want to leave some of the seeds.
Yeah, I think they're good because they're not spicy, and I love not spicy.
I love spice.
That was good. Okay, cool.